The EV revolution has a filtration problem: battery manufacturing, thermal management, and EV electronics filtration. India's electric vehicle industry is growing at a pace that would have seemed unimaginable 5 years ago. Ola Electric, Tata, Mahindra, 𝐒𝐨𝐧𝐜, Amara Raja. The investment in EV manufacturing is transforming India's automotive landscape. But the EV manufacturing process introduces filtration challenges that are fundamentally different from anything in conventional automotive. And the consequences of getting them wrong are not just quality issues, they're safety issues. Let's start with the battery module leak test, because this one is both technically fascinating and commercially critical. Battery module leak testing. Before EV battery packs are assembled, each battery module undergoes a coolant leak test. Using deionized water at 1.5 to 2 bar pressure, the test checks for micro leaks in the battery thermal management system. Leaks below 0.1 milliliters per minute that would cause coolant to contact battery cells and trigger thermal runaway. Here's the critical detail. The leak detection relies on measuring the conductivity change in the recirculated test water. A very small leak, a micro leak, causes a tiny but detectable rise in conductivity. But if the test water conductivity is already elevated because the water isn't properly filtered, the background signal masks the micro leak signal. The module passes the test. It goes into a battery pack. And 18 to 24 months later, the field BTMS failure triggers an expensive warranty claim and a potential safety recall. This is where filtration becomes the unsung hero of brand reputation. The FCPLCF 0.5 cartridge filter 0.5 micron PES delivers test water below 3 microsiemens per centimeter conductivity. What it protects is AIS 156 battery safety compliance and the brand reputation of every EV that leaves the assembly line. EV power electronics PCB cleaning. EV inverters, battery management systems, and onboard chargers contain high-density PCBs that are cleaned after soldering using deionized water-based flux removers. The wash water recirculates through an inline spray washer, accumulating solder flux residue and metallic particles from surface mount components. When wash water turbidity crosses 100 NTU, ionic contamination redeposits on PCB surfaces. The surface insulation resistance test, which requires above 100 megaohms for EV electronics, begins to fail. Conformal coating adhesion is compromised, and in an EV inverter, IGBT gate drive signal integrity failure from ionic leakage is catastrophic. The FCPL ASF50 auto self-cleaning filter 25 micron SS316 on the PCB wash water recirculation keeps the fluid clean. For continuous production, SIR test pass rate improved. EV electronics field reliability protected. Dry room compressed air. EV battery cell manufacturing requires a dry room environment. Moisture below 50 parts per million in the air supply to prevent lithium electrolyte degradation. The compressed air supply to dry rooms and glove boxes must be filtered to ISO 8573-1 class 1.2.1. removing submicron particles and residual oil that would contaminate the electrolyte preparation environment. A single oil contamination event in a dry room can compromise an entire batch of lithium cells, representing lakhs of rupees of material loss, and a production shutdown. The FCPLCAF 0.01 coalescing compressed air filter at the dry room inlet is the protection that EV cell manufacturers cannot afford to overlook. The EV industry is young in India. The filtration standards for this manufacturing environment are still being established. Companies that get this right from the start will build quality reputations that survive the competitive pressure ahead. Companies that don't will discover the cost the hard way. Next episode, we move entirely out of the manufacturing plant and into India's transportation infrastructure, railways, ports, airports, and fleet depots. See why filtration is just as critical at 30,000 feet as it is on the factory floor. Visit filter-concept.com to learn more.